In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website homepage in Systemi.io. We'll start from the Systemi.io dashboard, which is the main area where you manage your account and website assets. Once you're there, look for the Sites section in the navigation menu and click on it. From the available options, choose Websites. This will take you to the area where you can manage existing websites or create a brand new one. On the Websites page, click Create to begin setting up your homepage. You'll be asked to enter a website name. This is simply the internal name for your site, so choose something clear and recognizable that helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to build more than one website. Next, select your desired domain name from the drop-down menu. This is the web address your site will use, so make sure you choose the correct one before moving on. Right below that, you'll see the homepage URL path field. Leave this box completely blank. This is important because keeping it empty makes your homepage load automatically when someone enters your main domain name directly into their browser. After that, click Save. At this point, Systemi.io will prompt you to choose a design template for your homepage. You can either build from scratch if you want full control over the layout, or select a pre-designed template if you want a faster starting point. Using a template can save time because much of the basic formatting is already in place, which is especially helpful if you want a polished look without manually designing everything from the ground up. Once your site is created, you'll return to your website dashboard. Under the Pages tab, find the row for the home page. Then click the Edit Page icon, which appears as a magic wand. This opens the Visual Page Builder where you can start customizing the body of your home page. Inside the builder, use the left-hand panel to drag and drop elements into your page. You can add text, rows, hero sections, image blocks, and contact forms depending on the type of home page you want to create. As you build, focus on keeping the layout simple and easy to read so visitors immediately understand what your site is about. When you're happy with your homepage design, click Save to preserve your changes. That's it. Your homepage is now created in Systemi.io and ready for further refinement whenever you want to update the design or content.